Hi, in this video I would like to explain to you teaching platforms. You see, if in any of my course, if you get the page of a chapter, you see in each chapter this teaching platform. So I would be explaining to you what is inside in teaching platform. So it is shortly said here, there are two teaching platforms. One of them is the Prezi presentation, and the other one is the YouTube videos. So give some information about the Prezi presentation, why we have chosen the Prezi presentation, not the PowerPoint, and why we are using the videos, YouTube videos, how we are going to use it, and where we are going to find these videos is the subject of this video, which is related to teaching platforms. Now, in general, where you're going to see this video, not of course in here, because this is related, this chapter, Prezi presentation and YouTube videos. This video is going to be seen in first things first page. In here, we are in general explaining you how we are doing the teaching and learning in all the theoretical courses that I am going to teach you. So when you come to the second chapter, so all these tools explained here are included in this teaching and learning process. So it's a long video. Now among those, I am going to explain to you in this video only these teaching platforms. What are they? Prezi presentations and YouTube videos. So you're going to find this video under here, under the teaching platform, at the end of the teaching platform explanation page. Okay, now let's go to a chapter and see a Prezi presentation. This is the Prezi presentation. When you click it, okay, already seen that. You're going to see a presentation here. That presentation, make it bigger of course. You can make it. You see this presentation. This presentation is the presentation that I'm going to use in class when I am teaching you this chapter. If you don't come to the class, then you can look at this Prezi presentation anytime from anywhere. So that means you don't lose anything. Why we have chosen the Prezi presentation? Because you could see all the subsections related to that chapter in here as frames. You see, this is the title of the chapter. So there are two main frames under this chapter. This is one of them, or you might call it subchapter or subsection, and this is another subsection. This subsection, the first one, is related digital signals and systems. The second one related binary numbers and arithmetic operations. So you could see the whole chapter in one slide. Anytime you need one specific information to learn, then you can go in directly to that chapter. You know the title of this chapter, subtitle. Underneath that subtitle, you could click here and go to that frame. Numbers and letters in binary, it says. If you are looking for something under this chapter, go inside and propositional number system, it says. If you're going to look for something in here, you can focus in to that frame. You see, any subject that you couldn't understand somehow, you can focus directly to that frame or subject immediately through this presentation. That's why we have chosen Prezi presentation. This is good for you, and it is also good for me. If you ask a question in the class, if it is related in one frame, I can focus on this frame and show it to you and give you explanation through this frame. That is good for me. Why it is good for you? So assume that you are doing self-tests or you are doing peer assignment and there is one thing that you don't know, you can't remember, you forgot it, or you don't know this title, then when you take the exam, you're going to get 0 grade for this question, isn't it? But you know this question is related with a subsection in the chapter. So you can go to presentation of the chapter self-test, unknown questions, subsections, and examine this subsection. This is the whole chapter. So if the information that you are looking for is related with this one, focus on this one. If it cannot focus directly to that frame, you've got to click it once more. So you came here so you can read it and learn this subject, and then go back and take the self-test exam once more, and you can increase your grade. With this method, you have improved your learning process, so that Prezi contributed to your learning process. That's why we have chosen the Prezi. The other teaching tool that I am offering you is related with YouTube videos. The YouTube videos related with the chapter are seen inside the Prezi presentation. You see all these videos. These are all YouTube videos. So when you click it here, this is YouTube video. You can listen to it. That is YouTube. In YouTube you are listening it. Now an alternative to this, let's say you are doing your self-test exam. Let me stop that. And specifically you would like to look a frame and a related subsection. Now let me explain one thing here. YouTube, oh no, not this one. I made a mistake, sorry. Escape. Stop this and come to that. So this one here, you see these videos here. So when you see a video within a frame, so that means the whole frame here, let me go in there. In this frame, you've got one video. So in this frame, you've got another video. So what it means is this. This video is related with this whole frame. And this video, for example, if we go in, there is a video here, so this is related with this frame. So assume that you are doing a self-test and you didn't answer one of the question, and you know it is related with this frame. So you read this frame and still you couldn't understand, then you can go to that video in here, directly watch it in YouTube website. Or what you could do, escape from here, go to the page of your course, go to the related chapter, and you see that YouTube videos here, English YouTube videos. When you click this, so these are the videos available to you related with this chapter. If the subject that you couldn't understand is related, let's say, chapter 1.3.1, so it is related with coding. So if you have a problem with coding business, so you can watch this coding video directly in here. So this is embedded video. So you might extend that, put a control, and you can extend it. You can watch it inside your page, your course page. You see? Let me stop it now. So this is how we are using videos, and teaching Prezi as teaching platform. I try to explain to you on the web page of the course. So let me finish it now, take it down and get this stop.